Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by bringing the audio into your project so you can work immediately. First, check the file format and sample rate. Convert to WAV or match Project 44. 1 KHZ/48 KHZ when necessary. Once done, import the track directly into the timeline and position it at the intended start time. Make sure to duplicate the original clip for safety and enable waveform view to see peaks. This helps you plan edits and avoid clipping as you move into trimming and processing. Now you focus on shaping the sound so it sits correctly in the mix. Trim unwanted silences and breaths, then add short fades to prevent clicks. You can slip edit to tighten timing. Next, apply EQ to cut low-frequency rumble with a high pass around 8120 Hz and attenuate boxy frequencies if present. Once tonal balance is set, add light compression at a 2:1:4:1 ratio to even levels. Make sure to listen while toggling settings so dynamics remain natural. Finish by integrating the track into the full mix and creating a clean export. Balance the fader so the track peaks around -6 dB to leave headroom for mastering, and add submix effects like reverb or delay sparingly. When exporting, choose sample rate and bit depth appropriate for the destination, 16-bit for CD, 24-bit for high-quality files. If you encounter persistent noise or artifacts, apply a denoise or spectral repair step. If that fails, revert to the original duplicate and isolate the problem region.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.